Hi, I'm Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to do a little paint drop effect. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my background. I use this car right here. Or the background I'm using, if you would like to know what that is, a gray asphalt road during fog. And this car right here, out of the time-lapse photo of a sports car, I removed the background. So if you use this or anything like that, remove the background. So I already have one of those in my uploads. I will grab that right here. So the first thing you're going to need to do is duplicate this, and then you're going to go over to edit image. You're going to go into duotone, and you're going to go into classic. You're going to apply that, and I think it's a little pink looking. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take the saturation down a little bit to get it to look a little bit more black and white, and the contrast up just a little bit more. It's a little bit more black and white for me. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to overlay it over top of my orange car. The second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my elements and I'm going to get this dropper right here. So I don't want that handle being that color, so I'm going to change that to a black. I'm going to change this one to a gray. And of course, I want my car color for the dropper. Oh, no, hold on. I don't know. This has got to be the car color. This has got to be black. Okay. Oh, there's still blue in there. Good goodness, girl. All right. So, and then you just make the dropper whatever size you want. Now you want to do the same here. You want to duplicate here. And then what you want to do here is go into crop. Pull it down like so. And crop the dropper part off. I usually pull it into and just have the drop. Make sure my whole drop is in there. And okay, I'm good. And then what you want to do is lay it on top of the other one. So the next part of this, what you want to do is you want to duplicate the page. So with the duplicate of the page, one thing you want to do is go into position. You want to move your orange car up front. You want to take your drop. I made my drop smaller. And then you want it to go and touch the car. So I want it to come down. I want it to touch the car. So with that, then we're going to go in here. We're going to go into match and move. And if you look at it, there you go. You got your drop hitting right there like you want it to. Another thing you can do afterwards, if you want to keep that up like so, I could duplicate the page. What I'm going to do after that is I'm going to take my drop. I'm going to delete it. The other thing I'm going to do is go into position and I'm going to delete my black and white one from behind. And what I can do over here is go into my text, give me a small little text box and put burnt orange. Let's spell orange right, people. Not people, me. And then for some reason, this is one of my fonts that I like a lot all of a sudden. I just like that. Put a little effect on it. I want outline. I want my outline in black though. So let's make it a little bit thicker. Go here, make it black. Change the inside color to white. Go back in here. I want a little bit more. I want a little bit more thick on it. So go here. What I want to do is hide that behind the car. So I'm going to go into position here. I'm going to put it behind the car. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to duplicate this. And then I'm going to bring it in front of the car like so. And then I'm going to put my match and move in between that. And then you have the burnt orange coming through the car. I'd like to thank you for stopping by and seeing this tutorial. I hope it was a little helpful. Maybe get your creative juices going, a little inspiration to make something else. I love you guys. See you on the next one. Later.